All right, we're going to do a demo of another application built in Business Central. So this application is our image health application. And this is all about monitoring the health of operational assets, cameras and video cameras out in the field. Make sure they're operating properly, not just that they're up and running, but the actual quality of the images that they're providing is up to par and in spec. So in this case, like all of our operational dashboards, we start off with a map with the location of the projects and the assets involved. In this case, we only have one project here, and we have a couple of assets in here, and I'm just going to take a look at this one. So this represents a street camera that is part of a smart transportation system, and you can drill in and see the details of the asset in ServiceNow here. So on any asset where we're processing using our vision algorithms out at the edge, we can generate what are called edge alerts. So edge alerts are indicators that we might want to take action. In this case, I'm going to click through. We see we have 21 of them. I'm going to focus on this one here that says image shift has been detected. So I'm going to click on through. So this means that we have a whole stack of algorithms that are running against all of these images. And one of them is a field of view or an image shift, which means that the camera might have moved and is out of calibration. And so when this occurs, you can we have flows to generate a variety of different types of tasks. So in this case, we've generated a couple of operational incidents and a regular IT incident for teams to go look at. So I'm going to click on through and see one of those, and I'll show you an example of what has come in and how they might take action. In addition, it actually just brings in the images so you can see what's wrong. So if you look here, the reference images is on the left, and you can see we actually have some bounding boxes around certain aspects of this image. And you can see, for an example, here's a street sign here that's on the right side of the frame, and it's no longer here on the right image. So this camera has been knocked to the left, so it's not in calibration for what it needs to be done. So that'll require somebody going out to the field to fix that. So from that operational incident, you could create a work order, and now you're right into the field service management workflows to get the right crews with the right equipment out to the job. Another couple examples. This one is if there's in this case, it's been judged to be too dark, and you can see the reference image and the new image over on the right. So we also use automatic annotation of the images to look for calibration. And what that means is you can look at and see how we actually use image segmentation to identify different components of the image, and that lets us look for stationary versus moving and so on, so we can calibrate certain aspects of the image for many of these algorithms. So taking a look at the out-of-box rules we have available, we have blackout, field of view shift, general camera failure, overexposure, and strobe out.